Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to ship on eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, we're just going to follow this help center article or the customer service article. And from here, you would find like many things or many informations about shipping on eBay. And basically the first thing is to set up your shipping option for your listing. And basically, let's just go here to setting up the shipping option. And basically, you can do it from going to the listing tool. So basically, in the listing page, we will be able to choose like the shipping section for your product. So either you can ship your item by selected fixed cost, or you can calculate the cost based on the package weight, etc. And you can also offer local pickup, etc. So basically, you can first like just go to my eBay, and from here you'd want to go to selling. By going to selling, you'd find here the listing. So basically here, if you go to listings, you would be able like to find the shipping or selling preferences, listing templates, etc. So here in the selling preferences, you'd find like just some preferences and automation in some settings. What we are interested in is our uh, shipping. So basically, if we go to orders, you'd find here shipping labels. And of course, you would need just to go to an order or to a listing so you can be able to choose the way of shipping. So basically, when you choose or when you get an order, you will be able or you will need to start tracking and manage your shipments. That means whenever you have like an order, you will need just to create a label for it. And there are many ways of creating a label. And then you will choose a carrier or a service carrier or a delivery service like USPS or FedEx for your shipment or for your order. And basically you just get the label, you give the product to the carrier, and basically they will ship it to the customer, and by that you will be able to ship your product. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.